Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'm out here on the range today courtesy of Morphy's with an absolutely gorgeous little submachine gun. This is a 1930s SIG MKPS, a machine and carabiner police short barrel S side eject. This is simple blowback. It is chambered for 9mm parabellum, and it is one of those cool guns that includes a folding magazine well. Check this out. Unlock. Whoop, and you're ready to rock. It's also a really fast submachine gun. Holy moly. That's really nice. These magazines are not going to last long. And we're out. All right, so this is one of those cool guns where it's an insanely high rate of fire. This thing sounds like an MG42. I don't know the exact rate of fire offhand. I'll have to take a look at the high-speed video after the fact to count it. But the gun really doesn't actually climb all that much. It's not quite a straight inline stock, but it's pretty close. You have a good chunky forearm out here that you can hold onto and hold down. And I feel like the bolt's really not impinging on the back of the receiver tube. If it is actually hitting the back, it's not doing it very hard. Now, I only have the one standard mag for this, but it does also use the larger magazines that were made for the MKM series. That was the full-length barrel version of this, intended for the military instead of the police. This one's only about halfway loaded, but you can do a little more shooting with it. Yeah, it's like one little trigger pull is 4 to 5 rounds. Honestly, I don't think I can pull off single shots on this. And there is no specific semi-auto selector. There's a safety, yeah, which does in fact work. But if I want singles, I'm gonna have to do it with trigger control only. I can do 2, but I can't pull off a single, and I'm normally pretty decent at that sort of thing. Oof, that is just a really nice gun to shoot. All right, guys, it has been a real pleasure to be able to put a couple magazines through what I think really is one of the most beautiful submachine guns out there today. And this one's in absolutely gorgeous condition. So big thanks to Morphy's for giving me the opportunity. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And I do have a magazine still in this that we can't leave loaded, right? Thanks for watching. Holy cow! Whoo! That's mwah.